Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on this YouTube channel, I mainly focus on car detailing, one of my life's biggest passions. So if you want to learn how to take care of your car, both inside and out, go ahead and check out the rest of my videos after this one. But today I'm focusing on interior household cleaning, mainly stainless steel appliances, how you can easily clean them and make them shine, because I'm also OCD and a big cleanliness nut. So today I'll be showing how you can use some common household items that you probably have already at home and a few microfiber towels, and in a few seconds you're going to make all of your stainless steel appliances not only make them cleaner, you're going to sanitize them, but you're also going to make them shine and pop, as you can see here. And if you keep on regular maintenance, stainless steel is a great type of finish. So whether you have a stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel oven, or perhaps a dishwasher or microwave oven, regardless of what type of appliance it is very important to maintain stainless steel. Now, we won't get too into depth in scientific terms, but note that the stainless steel finish itself has a chromium oxide thin film. It's a transparent layer on the top that helps to prevent staining and corrosion. So with that chromium oxide layer being on there, it is not permeable to oxygen, and hence it can't oxidize. So it's going to resist all that corrosion over time. However, that doesn't mean that it doesn't get dirty. And although it's not the best surface for bacterial growth, it's still important to help sanitize that, because there can be some stains if left on there where some bacteria or germs might kind of live a short term, even on a dry surface. So I'm going to give you the household items. By the way, there are some cleaners that you can purchase in the store. I'll leave links in the description under the video if you want to check those out. A few of the ones that I found that work quite well, those are known as cleaner polishes. They're often oil based, so they'll leave kind of a thin oily, not residue, not something crazy, but they'll leave something behind which is going to help to increase that shine in the end. So they are effective at cleaning, but you have to test to find out which one works for your finish, because often, well, it can depend on what kind of actual stainless steel appliance you have. So it can vary from one manufacturer to another. Also note, there's always a grain on the stainless steel. When you're cleaning, you want to follow the side of the grain. So in this case, mine is horizontal, so I'm going to clean in the way of the grain itself. So always go with the grain. And of course, do not use any scrub pads, nothing abrasive, and no abrasive polishes, none of that cream that has that gritty kind of substance in there, because you could scratch the finish. So very simple. First of all, we're going to clean the surface. I'm using my all-purpose cleaner. This is DIY, very safe, natural ingredients that you already have at home. The recipe is simple. I made a full video, by the way, on household cleaners that you can make that are super effective, including this all-purpose cleaner. I have a quartz and granite countertop cleaner, glass cleaners, you're going to have disinfectants, a bunch of cool stuff. I'll leave that video linked in the description if you want to check that out right after this video. So this all-purpose cleaner is very simple. So in a spray bottle, you're going to have 2 cups of distilled or demineralized water. The better the water quality, the less chances of leaving stains on the surface. So I like to use demineralized water. So 2 cups of water, which is roughly 473 milliliters. It doesn't have to be super precise. 500 milliliters is also good and acceptable. And you're going to put 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. I like Dawn dishwashing liquid. That's my favorite one. And so you put that in there, you mix it up, and that is it. You got your all-purpose cleaner that you can also use around your household to clean some surfaces, because don't forget, before disinfecting, you always want to clean the surface. So this here is going to do that. You can use this on countertops, on your kitchen cupboards, to do your baseboards, whatever it is, general cleaning around the home. So a few squirts. I always like to spray directly on the towel itself. That way you avoid overspraying on the surfaces. And then going in the direction of the grain, you are going to clean your stainless steel. There you go. So for the purpose of this demo, because the camera can only catch the top portion, this is what we're doing. So this is all safe. Once again, all it is a bit of dishwashing liquid in some water. And again, get the higher quality water for your mixes. You're just going to enjoy that a lot more. So it already looks amazing, because now the surface is degreased, right? But what we're going to do now is also sanitize. So my favorite sanitizer is basically 70% isopropyl alcohol, or also known as rubbing alcohol. You can get that at your local pharmacy or drugstore. If you don't have access to 70% in your bottle, because that's what many health agencies recommend for disinfecting surfaces, you can get a 99% isopropyl alcohol and dilute that in a spray bottle. So in a 500 milliliter bottle, for example, you would have 350 milliliters of that 99% isopropyl alcohol and put in another 150 milliliters of water, and you have your 70% IPA solution or disinfectant, right? So same thing, you're going to take another clean and dry microfiber towel. You're going to spray your disinfectant on there, and this is not only going to sanitize the surface, but the isopropyl alcohol, as you can hopefully tell on camera, really flashes off quickly. So this is something that is not going to leave any residue behind. It's going to pick up any potential residue left by your cleaning solution previously, and it gives you that nice absolute shine. Look at that. Flip the towel to the clean and dry side, and that is it, guys. That's how simple it is. Look at that. I hope the results speak for themselves. That is why my appliances always look amazing. So when friends, family come over and they ask me and I show them how simple it is with household items, well, they're super happy because they can duplicate that in their homes. By the way, another quick pro tip, if you have some staining on there from water or any drippage that might be on there after you've cleaned the surface and disinfected, if you notice that there's still potentially some staining from some type of residue, what you can do is in a 500 milliliter bottle, you're going to do a 50-50 mix of warm water and just plain old white vinegar. Same white vinegar that you use when you're cooking or for your food, that kind of stuff. So the 5% usually that's the common household vinegar that we have. So a 50-50 mix of warm water and white vinegar. Put that in a spray bottle, mist that on your towel, and that acidic style content is safe enough on the surface of stainless steel, but should be able to break down any remaining water spots or that kind of stuff and fight that off. So I'll leave again all the links to the video for the DIY products if you want to check those out, and also the tools, sprayers, equipment, all that kind of stuff in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. If you have another method that you guys like to use to clean your stainless steel appliances, drop a comment in the comment section. It's always nice to see what people find effective and what works for them out there. We can share that with the community. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to help other people learn about how to clean their stainless steel appliances, share the video with your friends and family or anybody who might benefit from this information. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.